Dear investors, thank you for tuning in for exclusive podcast on important financial terms. Today we're going to talk about open-ended schemes. So open-ended mutual funds are mutual funds where your investments are not subjected to any kind of lock-in. They are liquid and can be redeemed within a short span of investment time. They are subjected to exit load depending on which category they belong to. They are more popular among the investors as compared to the close-ended because as they are easy to enter and exit as per one's convenience. So that's open-ended scheme for you in short. Thank you for tuning in for this podcast. To listen to more such interesting content, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to follow us on your favorite social media channel. And definitely do not forget to share it among your friends.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.